Are you ready for the next step? Do you want to increase your career opportunities, specialise or retrain? And is a 4-year study too long for you? Then an associate degree could be the right choice. It's hands-on and manageable, combining theory with practice, so you can put everything you learn straight into use. And you earn a vocational degree in just 2 years. Associate degrees can be done full-time, but if you want to combine work and study, why not do the programme part-time? An associate degree increases your opportunities, and a practice-oriented 2-year degree like this is a great move after secondary school. NHL Stenden offers more than 30 AD programmes in the following fields: administration and law, communication, media and design, economy and management, hotel management, ICT and design, maritime, education and training, engineering, tourism and leisure, care and welfare. So, if you'd like to further develop your skills and knowledge after secondary education, increase your job opportunities, get a vocational degree in just 2 years, and study full-time or part-time, then find the associate degree that suits you. Visit nhlstenden.com/AD.